Hi, we're Gina and Stephen. In April 2021, we took a leap from the conventional and sold all our belongings, downsized our life to travel, to look for new ways to live deeper.
It's got something that tastes familiar, but I can't tell you.
Oh boy.
After 11 countries visited, including Spain, Ireland, Morocco, Turkey, and Cyprus, to name a few, we have found we loved this nomadic life and are ready to explore a whole new part of the world in 2022. If you're new to our channel, join us for the next 4 months as we find new ways to 10x our life in Southeast Asia.
We're living deeper. Hey, what's up everybody?
What is up? Welcome to Vietnam.
We're in Hanoi, Vietnam tonight.
We are so excited. In this video, you are going to have an opportunity to take some steps on a train track. We're going to check out a wonderful social enterprise where young people are learning hospitality, and
we've got two additional things which I'm trying to remember. One is an underwater puppet show.
It's not underwater.
Somebody said it was underwater.
Okay.
People actually come from other nations to experience.
That's correct.
And then we're going to go to the Hanoi Hilton to learn some history.
Yes.
And we'll tell you more about that as we get there.
Stay with us as we do our series on Vietnam. Come along. What's really cool about the street that we're on right now is that during the day there is hundreds of motorbikes that are moving back and forth very fast. And you really do take your life into your own hands when you're walking across the street in Vietnam. But tonight, because this is our first night, they close off all the streets, no motorbikes. And if there are, there's only like one or two people walking down the street. It's an awesome opportunity for you to kind of really relax in Hanoi without feeling like you're gonna have to worry about being roadkill.
I knew there was something about water. It is the Nahat Mua Ra Thang Long Water Puppet Theater. So it's not an underwater puppet show, which would be pretty cool, but that's okay. It's the water theater.
Let's go.
It was amazing. It was kind of similar to going to an opera where you don't know what the story is, but without the little booklet that tells you what's going on with the opera. But it had the music, which was beautiful. And the puppets were phenomenal.
Everything about it was so unique in that, I mean, it's all in Vietnamese, of course. This is a 1,000-year-old tradition that started when the rice fields would flood. The farmers wouldn't have entertainment where people would come out and do puppet shows.
They would stand in the middle of the water in the flooded rice field with their puppets, entertaining all of the farmers.
I think it's worth it, definitely. It's a cultural experience, no question. Okay, thank you so much.
Living a deeper life for me means connecting with people, different types of people, learning about people's histories and how all of their different experiences have created such individual human beings, and just seeing different ways of existing, getting outside of my own little bubble, my own little echo chamber, and being curious.
And have you found that once you take that step, you want to just keep walking?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. The problem is I have to go back. But I think going back, once I've had some time away, it's been able to refresh my curiosity so that when I'm going home, I'll still be looking at everything with a fresh lens.
Yeah.
So it kind of helps me keep a traveler's mind when I'm at home, which is nice.
Today we're kicking off at the train street, the famous train street in Hanoi. In fact, Stephen, the last time we stood on a train track, we were somewhere in California.
Was it California? Good morning, it's a great day here on the railroad tracks.
Why are we on the railroad tracks? Because last night we slept pretty much on the railroad tracks. There's a train that's going to plow through this neighborhood.
Now the train coming.
Is it?
Is it?
Hey guys, train's coming. In 2 minutes, you hear the bell, ring, ring, ring.
And I say neighborhood because when you look around, you will see there are lots of people that live here. Generations have lived here, just feet from this train track. It goes 5 times a day. We're eating at the famous Railway Cafe this morning for breakfast, waiting for the train to come through.
And we literally can sit back in this little alcove and watch the train come by. We got some breakfast.
This looks delicious.
It's called a smoothie, but it's not really a smoothie like the States. It's a different kind of local Vietnamese smoothie, passion fruit. So I kind of get passion fruit and or mango every day. I also got some dried beef and some vegetarian spring rolls.
And I got pho, which is just a beef vegetable pho. It is a coconut coffee that you have to mix really well first before drinking. Vietnam is known for their coffee.
These are probably the best spring rolls I have ever had.
They're so flaky. I mean, yes, they're fried, but it's really light. It's like it's almost tempura tasting. And of course, there's lots of wonderful juiciness of vegetables inside.
Delicious.
So is this your store? Is the railway
my-
up here?
So you travel a lot yourself?
Yes, I like travel.
Okay.
Before COVID, every 3 months I want to go to travel. When the last time I had a lot of money and go to longer.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I make plan that 3 months work hard.
Yeah.
And I think about future. After 3 months, I can relax and traveling and do everything I want. Yeah, take care by myself. So you be carefully the train coming now.
All right.
If you stop at the station.
Okay.
here it
All right.
comes.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Oh my God. Okay, that was pretty amazing. That was amazing. Oh my gosh.
You like it?
Magic of an accompaniment, tailor-made for passion today. Passion today.
Piece of cake. It's getting easier. It's getting
This
easier.
is practice for Saigon. Because Saigon is supposed to be bananas. We had this amazing conversation with this shop owner who is actually a travel journalist, and her partner, who's a photographer, who opened a shop about 5 years ago that it's actually individual artists who will have their products there to sell, but it's always based back into the Vietnam culture.
Our mission is still to, go with 100% local brand, because we want every visitor coming to Hanoi take home a piece of thing that belong to the city.
And then there's various other types of enterprises that are available
Some
for
of
that.
the social enterprise brand in the shop that I can walk you through.
She introduced us to one in particular called Zhao.
This one is very interesting because the founder are female ethnic minority women from the mountainous area in Sabah.
The whole focus is to provide
soaps that have been made by ethnic women in the northern parts of Sapa in northern Vietnam who normally would not have access to entrepreneurial opportunities.
This is one of the opportunity that allows them to make a living out of it, but also at the same time to showcase what Vietnam has to offer.
All of the proceeds go back to these women in the northern parts of Vietnam. I love this concept of what they're doing here. You have to go and check out the collective memory, which is basically harnessing all of the culture and memory of Vietnam. Thank you. Oh my god! Do you smash them? You did? From that? Oh, how do you do that? Really?
All right. I guess that was it a chicken?
What's he looking at? He's looking at something. This is Hoa Lo Prison. It was built by the French in 1896 to jail Vietnamese political prisoners. It was destroyed in 1996 with just a small portion remaining. Today you can walk through and see small dark cells. And the actual original guillotine that was used. And the place where they held POW Americans during the Vietnam War.
We all learn history, but when you visit memorials in other parts of the world, it becomes clear that we're not all taught the same version. So whether we're far away or at home, we need to remember to search for the truth, which is inevitably complex.
Am I looking here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Ready? Ready?
Your skirt, I thought it was something on my foot.